high vibrations. If you've been starting tomorrow, guess what? Tomorrow is today. Stop procrastinating. I want you to stay tuned to the end because I'm going to show you how to batch your juices so you stay consistent without even thinking about it.
I am alive. I am divine. I shine with time. I am alive. I am divine. Every step
I'm LaLa, your high vibe coach, helping women to break cycles of bloating, cravings, low energy, and inconsistency using plant-powered nourishment, movement, and mindset. And today, I'm going to show you how to make this simple. Why batching works. Most people don't fall off because they can't do it. They fall off because they don't feel like prepping. They wait until they're hungry and they have to decide in the moment. That's where things break. Batching removes decision fatigue, excuses, inconsistency. When it's already done, you just have to follow through. Today we're batching 3 juice recipes, enough for 3 days. Simple combinations that taste so delicious. Not complicated, not overwhelming. Wash and chop your produce and organize the ingredients. Don't juice one by one, prep everything at once. You're not stopping and starting, you're batching. Use glass jars and fill them up to the top, which means less air, less chance of oxidation. This keeps the juice fresher longer. You can store in the refrigerator for 48 to 72 hours and just shake it up before drinking it. In the freezer, it lasts for 5 to 7 days. Here's the simple system. Day 1, juice. Day 2, drink. And on the 3rd day, prep again. That's the cycle. Once you start batching, you stop skipping. You stop guessing. You stop starting over because it's already done. Let me save you some time. Batching too many recipes, overcomplicating ingredients, not storing properly, waiting until you're tired to prep, those are all mistakes. I need for you to keep it simple and keep it repeatable. Stick to the recipes. If you want this done for you, I created a simple reset and detox guide that includes exact juice recipes, the grocery list, and batching tips, daily structure, so you don't have to figure this out on your own. You have support. Ooh, and make you a schedule, then you're more likely to succeed. Click the link below and get started. And if you haven't already, watch this next video on how to start your 3-day reset, step by step. Batching makes it easy.
That's how I live. Straight from the earth. That's what I give.